Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Easy Way. I'm Mike.
And I'm Sarah. How are you today, Mike?
I'm good, Sarah. Thank you for asking. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks. Today we have a special topic.
Yes, we do. Today, we're going to talk about sad moments.
That's right. We all feel sad sometimes. It's normal.
And it's important to know how to talk about these feelings in English.
Before we start, let me ask you something. This question for viewer. Have you ever felt sad and didn't know how to express it in English?
Good question. Maybe you felt sad when you said goodbye to a friend, or when you lost something important.
Today, we'll help you learn the words and phrases you need.
We'll share some stories, too.
Yes, real stories about sad moments. Are you ready?
Let's begin.
Mike, let's start with basic words. What's the simplest way to say you're sad?
The most simple way is just to say, I'm sad.
Easy, right? Repeat with me, everyone. I'm sad.
But there are other ways, too. You can say, I feel sad.
Or I'm feeling down today.
Yes, feeling down is very common. It means you're sad or unhappy.
Here are some more phrases. Listen carefully. I'm upset. I feel blue. I'm not feeling well.
I feel blue is interesting. It doesn't mean your skin is blue.
No, it means you feel sad.
Right. We also say, I'm not in a good mood.
That's a good one. Mood means how you feel at a particular time.
Dear viewer, let me ask you, what do you say in your language when you feel sad? Is it similar to English?
That's a great question. Languages are so different.
Now, let's practice. Sarah, pretend you're sad. What would you say?
Okay. Sighs. I'm feeling really down today.
Good. And I might ask, what's wrong?
Or is everything okay?
These are questions you can ask someone who looks sad.
Mike, I know you have a sad story to share with us.
Yes, I do. It happened 5 years ago.
Tell us about it.
Well, I had a very close friend. His name was Tom.
Were you friends for a long time?
Yes, we were best friends for 10 years. We met in university.
That's a long friendship.
We did everything together. We played basketball, watched movies, and had dinner every week.
Sounds like a wonderful friendship.
It was. But then Tom got a new job.
Oh no. Was it far away?
Very far. He had to move to another country, to Australia.
Wow. That's really far from here.
I remember the last day we spent together. We went to our favorite restaurant.
How did you feel?
I felt terrible. I was very sad. I tried not to cry.
That must have been so difficult.
It was. I said to him, I'm going to miss you so much.
What did he say?
He said, I'll miss you too, my friend, but we'll stay in touch.
Did you cry?
Yes, I did. At the airport, we both cried.
There's no shame in crying, Mike.
I know. Crying is natural when we feel sad.
Have you ever had to say goodbye to a close friend? How did you feel?
It's one of the hardest things to do.
So, what phrases did Mike use? Let's review. I felt terrible. I was very sad. I'm going to miss you. I'll miss you too.
These are important phrases when saying goodbye.
Do you still talk to Tom?
Yes, we video call every month, but it's not the same.
I understand. It's hard when someone is far away. How do you stay connected with friends who live far away?
Sarah, you also have a sad story, right?
Yes. This one is about my dog, Lucy.
Oh, I remember Lucy. She was beautiful.
She was my best friend for 12 years.
12 years is a long time.
Lucy was a golden retriever. She had beautiful golden fur and kind eyes.
What made her special?
Everything. She was always happy to see me. When I came home from work, she jumped and wagged her tail.
Dogs are so loyal and loving.
Yes. When I felt sad about other things, Lucy made me feel better.
So what happened?
2 years ago, Lucy got very sick. She was old.
That must have been heartbreaking.
It was. The vet said we couldn't help her anymore.
Oh no.
We had to say goodbye. I held her and said, "Thank you for everything. You were a good girl."
I'm sorry, Sarah.
Thank you. I cried for days. The house felt so empty.
Losing a pet is like losing a family member.
Exactly. I was devastated.
Devastated, that's a strong word. It means extremely sad and shocked.
Yes, I couldn't stop thinking about her.
How did you feel in those first days?
I felt heartbroken. I felt lonely. Sometimes I felt numb.
Numb means you can't feel anything, like your emotions stop working.
Exactly. It was a difficult time.
Have you ever lost a pet or someone you loved? It's one of life's hardest experiences.
Let me share the phrases I used. I'm heartbroken. I feel devastated. I can't stop crying. I miss her so much. The house feels empty.
These are strong emotion words.
When something is very sad, we use strong words.
Do you feel better now?
Yes, time helps. I still miss Lucy, but I remember the happy times.
That's beautiful. We say time heals all wounds.
It means that with time, the pain becomes less.
Let's take a moment to review important vocabulary.
Great idea. First, words to describe sad feelings. Sad, upset, heartbroken, devastated, depressed, down, blue.
Now, common phrases. I'm feeling down. I feel terrible. I'm going through a hard time. I'm not myself today.
When someone is sad, we can say, "What's wrong? Are you okay? Do you want to talk about it? I'm here for you."
These show you care about someone.
We can also talk about crying. I cried. I burst into tears. Tears rolled down my face. I couldn't hold back the tears.
And when we comfort someone, it's okay to cry. I understand. I'm so sorry. Things will get better.
Dear viewer, which phrase do you think is most useful? Try to use it this week.
Now, let's talk about what we can do when we feel sad.
That's important. Feeling sad is normal, but we need healthy ways to cope.
Cope means to deal with something difficult.
What do you do when you feel sad, Mike?
I talk to someone, my sister or a friend.
Talking helps a lot. We say, a problem shared is a problem halved.
That means when you tell someone about your problem, it feels less heavy.
What else can people do?
Here are some helpful activities. Talk to a friend or family member, write in a journal, go for a walk, listen to music, exercise.
I love listening to music when I'm sad.
Music can change our mood.
Some people also watch a funny movie, spend time with a pet, do something creative like drawing or painting, take a warm bath.
The important thing is to not keep feelings inside.
Right, we need to express our emotions.
We can say, let it out. This means express your feelings, don't hide them.
What do you do when you feel sad? Everyone has different ways to cope.
It's also okay to ask for help.
Yes, you can say, I need someone to talk to, or can you help me?
There's no shame in asking for support.
Let's practice a conversation. This will help you use these phrases.
Good idea. I'll start. Imagine Sarah looks sad today.
Looks down sadly.
Hey, Sarah, you look sad. Is everything okay?
Not really. I'm feeling down today.
What's wrong? Do you want to talk about it?
I had a fight with my sister yesterday. I feel terrible about it.
I'm sorry to hear that. Did you try to call her?
Not yet. I'm afraid she's still angry.
Maybe you should reach out. I'm sure she'll understand.
You're right. Thanks for listening.
Anytime. I'm here for you.
Great. Let's break that down. Mike asked, "What's wrong?" and "Do you want to talk about it?"
These are gentle questions. They show you care.
I said, I feel terrible and I'm afraid.
And I offered support. I'm here for you.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video and practice this conversation with a friend or by yourself.
Change the words to match your own experience.
Wow, Mike, we've covered so much today.
We have. Let's quickly review what we learned.
First, we learned basic phrases. I'm sad, I'm feeling down, I feel blue.
We shared personal stories about sad moments.
We talked about saying goodbye to friends and losing loved ones.
We learned strong emotion words like heartbroken and devastated.
And we discussed healthy ways to cope with sadness.
Remember, everyone feels sad sometimes. It's part of being human.
The important thing is to express your feelings and ask for help when you need it.
Don't keep your emotions inside.
Here's your homework for today. Think about a sad moment in your life. Try to describe it in English using the phrases we learned.
You can write it in a journal or tell a friend.
This practice will help you become more comfortable talking about emotions.
And here's a question for you. What's one thing that makes you feel better when you're sad?
Leave your answer in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.
Remember, it's okay to not be okay sometimes.
Be kind to yourself and others.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Key vocabulary list. Basic feelings. Sad, unhappy. Upset, slightly angry and unhappy. Down, sad, depressed. Blue, sad. Heartbroken, extremely sad, usually about love or loss. Devastated, completely shocked and sad. Depressed, very sad for a long time. Useful phrases. I'm feeling down. I feel terrible. I'm going through a hard time. I'm not myself today. I'm going to miss you. I can't stop crying. The house feels empty. Time heals all wounds. Let it out. I'm here for you. Questions to ask. What's wrong? Are you okay? Do you want to talk about it? Is everything all right? Actions. To cry. Produce tears. To cope. Deal with something difficult. To miss someone. Feel sad because they're not there. To comfort. Make someone feel better. To express. Show your feelings.